He's there. I know it. I just need to wait for the right moment. Huh?
Sammy, it's 2 in the morning. Why aren't you in bed?
I heard about a man who lives on the moon. I'm trying to lure him out and catch him. So we'll be besties.
It's not true. It's just a cute little story.
That's what they want you to think, Sue. I'm sure.
Oh, why don't we do something more interesting and real? Come with me. I have an idea.
Ooh, sounds nice.
I need something to soothe Sam to sleep. Let it be a galaxy poppet. It's going to be out of this world.
Susie, I was looking for that man on the moon, and, I think I saw an UFO.
There is no such thing as UFO or aliens, so don't worry.
There's not? Phew. Wait, what's happening? Holy cannoli! Duh!
Sorry, Sammy. Did you say something? I can't hear you because of this step of the craft.
I'll be right back, Sue. I'm sure it will all be fine.
Okay. If you say so, I guess I'll just continue with the craft. There we go. This reminds me. I need a fresh manicure. Anyway, now I need to make this thing super sticky. Huh? What's that noise?
Holy cannoli, Sue! What an amazing journey!
Are you okay? What happened? Did you see aliens?
Yeah. Oh, it's such a great bunch of guys. They're huge fans of the show, you know. They just wanted an autograph and a selfie.
Amazing! That means you're the first slime in space.
I guess I am. I'll be famous. Even more famous than I am already.
Just remember, don't let the fame go to your head, okay? Hello? Earth to Sammy? Are you still with me? What is happening back there?
I've gathered the media today to discuss my travels in outer space. Is it true the aliens wanted you to become their leader? I cannot confirm or deny that. All I can say from now on, I'll be known as Space Emperor Sam.
Sammy? I mean Emperor, sir. We've got work to do.
Sorry, Sue. I got a little bit too much carried away.
That's okay. It must have been quite the adventure. Well, with this poppet, you'll be reliving your space escapades. Trust me.
My bait still isn't working. Maybe the man on the moon prefers something else, like chocolate.
Sammy, don't eat all the chocolate. You know that's for snack time only. Whew, okay, friends. Now, check this out. Looks cool, right? This glitter glue will add a little sparkle, and who doesn't want that?
The man on the moon isn't a chocolate fan, but I am. Whoa, is that sparkly slime? That is glorious. I want to look like that.
No, Sammy, this is just glitter glue. And this will add a little sheen to the poppet and lock that sparkle in place. I'm really enjoying this craft. I know Sam's gonna love it. It's already got that space feeling, right? I know I'm getting a real cosmic vibe. This will be perfect for our mini astronomer. This is what you should get, friends. And now, let's use some magical space silver. I wonder where did Sammy go? He's really quiet, and that worries me.
Oh, yeah. This is more like it. I'm looking good and feeling good.
Ah, my eyes! It's so bright!
This is the new and improved Sam. Huh? Is that a moth? Hey!
It looks like you've got new fans! I told you to be careful with too much glitter. You're too shiny. Now let's arrange our future planets. Sam, I guess you'll need to wash the sparkle off to get rid of the moths. That's your only option.
It's a sacrifice I'll have to make.
I'm glad to hear that. I thought I was going to have to wear sunglasses for the rest of this video. Now check this out, friends. We are on the way to the first planet of our galaxy poppet. Here we go. Just give me a second to make sure everything works. It looks good, but I can make it look even better.
Good news, Sue. I got rid of the moths, yay! And the bad news, Roger's room has a moth problem now. Poor thing.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound very good.
Wait, are you painting? Hey, why didn't you tell me?
I'm making a planet for our poppet. You knew I'd do that. Well, want to have a look at the result?
Wow, that looks like so much fun. I want to try it too.
Here you go. But remember, we're making planets.
Yeah. I will let my creativity flow. It shall be a masterpiece. A little dab of paint here. Oh yes, it's wonderful.
In the meantime, I'll make another planet. It might look familiar to y'all.
Hey, I think I can see our house there.
Wow, your eyesight must be amazing! I'm impressed.
The key is my glasses. I practically have X-ray vision.
Right, you're almost like a superhero.
Yeah, I suppose I am.
I think this one should be really colorful. Which one should I choose? Oh, I know, brown. This will look like a swirling atmosphere. How's it going over there, Sammy? Have you finished?
You won't believe this, but I think I've discovered a new planet.
Planet Sam, right? It has a ring to it.
Everything I do is perfect. Now let me put this planet to its rightful place.
You've got a natural talent when it comes to painting, Sammy. Great job.
I feel like an astronaut. It's so much fun.
You're right. And now it's time for a new planet.
You some time and prepared the template. Here you go.
You are so helpful today. Thank you.
What are you talking about? I'm always helpful. Huh? Did you hear that?
It can't be the man on the moon, can it? Ooh, I even got goosebumps. Is everything okay back there, Sammy?
It wasn't the man on the moon. Roger got caught in the butterfly net.
But who set the net?
I did.
Oh, Sammy, you and your pranks. This will be the center of our galaxy puppet. I want it to shine like the real sun.
Huh, this is the perfect opportunity to work on my tan.
I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna make it extra special.
Do you smell something? It's like burning! I am burning! Ah!
I guess our poppet won't be the only thing in our house that glows in the dark. And we're done!
Look, Sue! I'm using the sun as a trampoline.
We'll need to stick all the planets to the frame. And voila! I love how it turned out. But we can't forget about the other side. I want it to look amazing too. We are done here. All that's left to do is draw a few happy faces. They're going to bring Sammy so much fun. The poppet is ready, Sam. Come and have a look. Oh, it's so cute.
Whoa, it's amazing. It's the best thing I've ever seen. I feel so happy, Sue. Thank you so much.
I knew you'd like it, Sammy. But you haven't seen the best part yet. Here, let me just turn the lights off.
We had a great time. Now we can finally go to bed. I'm so sleepy.
Aw, he's so cute when he's sleeping. Good night, my little slime friend.
Nighty-night, everyone. See you in the next video.
Friends, we love you all. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye.